Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. I'm going to make a video today on making a structure to hold up my solar panels. I'll leave a link below. This is my solar panel battery storage and inverter setup here on my wall and my charge controller. I'll leave a link to the video so you can see when I install all this. But what I'm going to do is take the pallets that the solar panels came on and build a structure to set them on when I'm not using my John Deere wagon, which is a great way to move them in and out of my garage, and they're portable as a result. Here is the reason I'm showing you the screen door, which I've taken off. It was made out of the pallets from the solar panels also. So I'm using all of the pallet material pretty much for these projects. So let's go look at the solar panels real quickly, and then I'll show you my plan. Here's the solar panels, and they're mounted onto my John Deere wagon by just a bolt here and a bolt here. So there are two of them, and I can get about between 65 to 70 watts of power out of them. They're approximately 5.5 feet tall and 3 feet wide. I'll put the exact dimensions on here. They have the power line coming from them, go around into the side of my garage, and then through a panel, which also I can hook up my generator to. They go through the wall there and then come out here, and these are grounding wires. I have 2 large batteries and then 4 just batteries I got from Walmart. What I'm going to do is make some wooden supports here that I can put up here and bolt onto the power panels, and then unbolt the wagon and pull it out and use the wagon for its intended purpose, to haul things. So here's the rest of the boards. They're still on part of the pallet, and I'm going to basically cut this pallet in 2 with my saw here, and then probably cut it on this side, and then put another 2x4 or something equivalent on that piece, and then build 2 separate scaffolding like things to support the solar panels. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, there are the boards cut. So now I've got 2 separate pieces, and I'll have to add a 2x4 or something on this side. Okay, I'm cutting this piece. This is going to be the vertical. It's actually going to be on an angle, approximately 60-degree angle, and then this is going to be the bottom piece. So I just cut these 2 pieces apart, and we're ready to line them up now. Okay, so I'm going to nail this nice 2x4, which is already the right length, onto the end here to supplement it. So I have 2 equal sides. This side will be a little more narrow than the other ones, but only by 3/4 of an inch or so. Okay, here's the one of the completed supports. It's got this piece here, and then the piece on the bottom. Put a board, about a 10-inch board, holding these two pieces together here, and then a vertical board holding these two pieces. My goal is to use every bit of this pallet if possible. So now I'm working on the other one. I'll cut the two pieces apart, getting ready to fit this one. Okay, so I'm going to put the board here, like so, to tie these two together. And a vertical piece here. Okay, there I've nailed on the bottom side piece. I'll have to nail on the vertical, like so, and do the other side. Okay, there they are. It's not a perfect fit, but I think it'll work. We'll loosen the two nuts right here that hold the panels onto the wagon, and see if it'll stay. Now I don't have this. I'm going to put bolts through here and maybe down there to lock this into the scaffolding, and so then I'll take out this nut here, this bolt, see what happens. Okay, I've disconnected the John Deere wagon. This is where it was connected. Got these marked just with a simple pencil so I know where to go back into. It's pretty solid. I can always put some weights. I just clamped it on here for now. Probably put bolts on there, but maybe not, because this is not something I'm going to do a lot, so clamps seem to be working fine. So I think that's about it for now, YouTubers. I used the total pallet. I only have these two long boards left over, which are a little different material, better wood. So it's not complicated if you're interested in the dimensions, exact dimensions, because if you want to do something similar, just make a comment. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you can subscribe to my channel, it's Harrison4803. Have any other ideas on videos, leave a comment. Click the bell if you want to be notified anytime I put up a video. I'm up to about 250. I do lots of DIY, a little bit of programming, working on computers, electrical wiring, generator wiring, you name it, I probably do it. Working on refrigerators. So this is Old John signing out.